Hello everyone. In today's tech tip, we are going to see how we can add extra vertical members to our panel. First, we need to select a member of our panel. Then we can click on Properties. In Miscellaneous tab, we can select Extra Stats. In the first tab, for vertical stats, we can select our reference. We can start it Start or End. If we are selecting End, and we are adding an offset like 1 foot and 5 inches, it means that it is going to place an extra vertical member with an offset of 1 foot 5 inches from the end point of our panel. On the third tab, we need to select the family. We can also select the angle. We can for now set it to 90 degrees. And in layer justifications, we can set it to wall center line, structural center line, or other options that we are having here. So I'm going to select structural center line. And the last option, the insertion alignment. For now, I'm going to select this one as center, but we will come back here and change it later just to see what are the differences. We can say close and OK. As you can see, we are having this extra vertical member added to this panel. And if I go to level 1, I can come here and add a dimension line. I just need to type in DI, tab, and here. So as you can see, the center point of this stud has an offset of 1 foot 5 inches from the end stud. Let's select this panel again and go back to Properties. Now the only thing that we are going to do is I just need to change the insertion alignment from center to shifted towards E1. I need to click on Update, Close, and OK. As you can see, the new member has shifted towards E1. Now if I want to add a dimension line again, from this point to here, the offset will be 1 foot 5 inches. So you can select if you want this offset to be from the first point of the stud, center, or from the end point. The other way to add extra vertical members to our panel is again through Properties. So we need to select a member of the panel, go to Properties in Miscellaneous tab, in Extra Studs, but this time it will be through Repeat Modify command. In this command, we are technically copying one of our members in the panel. So for now, I'm going to select S2. We can select if we want to copy this member in the left side of the existing member or in the right side. So we can add 1 for the right side and select that member. We can also change the family, like for now I'm going to select wood just to see how it works. And for offset from previous, we can select 6 inches for now and add this to our comment, add this to our panel. We can also select S3 for now. We can this one add 1 on the right, but instead of adding offset from previous, this time we are going to add lateral offset. We can select the 6 inches for lateral offset and add it to our panel. We can hit close and OK. Great. Now I want to go to level 1. These two wood verticals are the ones that we just added to our panel's properties, repeat and modify commands. Now we just need to add dimensions to check how they work. So this is the offset from previous that we added for 6 inches for the member that we are copying from S2. You can check that here. And this one, if I want to add dimension line, as it was a lateral offset, I need to hit tab and here. This is the offset. Let me just move it a bit. So The member is on the right of our existing member, but there's also a lateral offset of 6 inches from the existing one. The other way that we can add extra vertical members to our panel is through edits and add structural members. First, I need to go to my level 1. Now in here, I can select any member of the panel, type in CC, add an offset for like 5 inches, enter, and now we have this new member in our panel. But if I regenerate this panel, you can see that the new member is deleted because it wasn't part of our panel. So what we need to do is, now I need to copy this member again. I just need to, let me delete this one. I just need to select it. In edits, I need to click on add structural members. I will hit escape. And now in this dialog box, I can select the tag for this added member. It's a vertical stud, so I can keep it as a vertical stud and click on add. Now this member is pinned to the panel. If I regenerate the panel, it will survive and it won't get deleted. The other option that we have, we can again copy the member in the panel. We can select it, and in edits, we can select edits want. Edit want will pin any member that you have copied into your panel or in your panel. It will pin it to the panel. And if you regenerate it, it won't get deleted. That was it, everyone. Thank you so much and hope to see you next time.